Hello everyone, make the half ponytail and then take the half portion and start attaching it with the help of a rubber band and then make two sections out of it and then repeat the whole process, attach it on the top. Now with the help of a band stick, start rolling your hair very nicely and gently and attach it on the top, cover your hairs and it's all done. For the next one, take the smaller section of your hair from the front one and make two sections out of it and then tie it with the rubber band as it is shown in the video. Pull it inside out, it will look like this. Now take another hair, make a ponytail, it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now pull it inside out with the help of your hands. Attach a bow to it. Now with the help of a bow, make the braids out of it very nicely and gently as it will start looking like this. Now take the smaller sections from the remaining hair and start making the braid very nicely as it will start looking like this. Be sure to repeat each and every process as it is shown in the video so that your hairstyle will turn out exactly as you want. Now repeat the whole process till the bottom very nicely and securely and then attach it with the help of a ribbon or the rubber band as it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make 6 sections out of your hairs. Now start making the braids out of it and repeat the process as it is shown in the video. Now make a cute little bun on the top of it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make the front portion of your hair and then tie it with the rubber band. Now divide it into two parts. Now from the first part, take the remaining hairs and while taking the smaller sections from the remaining hair, start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently and be sure to do it very nicely and carefully while taking the smaller sections from the remaining hair. Repeat each and every process so that it will start looking like this and then braid it till the bottom and secure it with the rubber band. Now from the other side too, repeat the whole process we have done earlier while taking the smaller sections of the hairs from the front side this time and then repeat the whole process and tie it with the rubber band till the bottom. Now bring it all together and make it into a ponytail and then braid it nicely, roll it and tie it with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. It is looking cute though, right? For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and make it into two braids. Now divide your hairs into two parts and then make a smaller section and start braiding your hairs with the upper braid. Braid it very nicely and gently with the help of your hand till the end and then tie it with the help of a rubber band or any accessories you want. It's done. For the next one, make a half ponytail and then make 5 sections out of it. Now take a hair string and attach it very nicely with the sections and then keep braiding it as it is shown in the video. Do it till the bottom and once it is done, tie it with the help of a rubber band as it is shown in the video. It will start looking like this. Bring it all together and then attach it to the ponytail. It's done. For the next one in the video, make 2 ponytails and then pull it inside out. Now once again pull it inside out as it will look like this and spread the hair nicely. Now attach it with a hair clip as it is shown in the video. Now take the another hair and then bring it into 2 parts. Pull it inside out very nicely and gently. Now with the help of a hair strings, start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently and then attach it to the bottom with the help of a rubber band and it's done. Thanks for watching.